Alright, good morning from Demarcation Day. Is that what you say? We got a late start and they are really hustling everybody out of here. There's no time for leisure. They already called our bag tag of the Daisy one like 3 times. So we're running. We missed our breakfast at the Avengers, so we went to Marceline Market, which I think it was better. We weren't looking to sit anyway. Alright. Lucia threw up this morning, so we're not sure if this was just because I was brushing her teeth or if she's not feeling good. So it should be an interesting bus ride. It's like an hour and a half. Lucia! Daddy's on a mission. He's on a mission. He's not messing around. If you're debarking the ship, you'll follow this path all the way around. Bye, Disney Wish. Yeah, no more kids club. All done, kids club. So we were Daisy, and I believe they called us. Alright, so now we're just waiting in line to get off the ship, and one thing is they originally had us scheduled for breakfast at the sit-down. We were too late. They said they stopped serving breakfast by 7:20. We came at like 7:30, which is fine. So we went up to Marceline Market, which we would have preferred anyway, and when we were taking the elevators down, like, it was actually better because we were stopping on every floor and nobody could get on. So on your last day, you might want to think about just going to Marceline Market instead of the sit-down. I mean, there's people like everywhere trying to get off. They really want for you to get off. Pandora on the ship. Totally missed that. Like, honestly, so we started this line and we went like all around the bayou, down the hall, back around the hall, back through the bayou, and now we're on the other side that we came from. So we should be getting off right here, hopefully. So this is how you do it. When you get off, you look for your character. So we have Daisy. It's all organized by room. Lots of luggages. So the buses leave promptly at 9 a.m. So they said it would take about an hour and 15 minutes for us to get to the resort.
Mommy, where are you going?
We're headed on over to Disney's Port Orleans.
Where are you going?
We're going to the hotel.
What is that?
Ew, don't touch it. That's gross.
What is that?
It's for you to just keep stuff. I look so tired. I don't sleep well. I always get nervous when we have like anything. Even though I'm a morning person, I get nervous when we have something like early to do in the morning. I'm always scared like we're not gonna get up in time. So I was waking up like every couple hours.
Mommy, look at the ocean.
Yeah.
I don't want to jump in the water.
No. see his hair still holding on here.
Hey, Mommy, hold tight.
No, this is gross. We don't need to hold tight.
I need to hold tight.
When we came in, this was all foggy, so it's nice to see this all.
Hey, Mommy, it's foggy.
It was foggy when we got in. Now that we're leaving, it's not foggy. This is the other side. Surprised I'm hungry and I'm sleepy. Oh gosh, we're racing on another bus here.
You walk home in the side of the road.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place, always